Hey guys, so OnePlus is launching 3 phones this year, the OnePlus 8 Lite with 90Hz flat screen, OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro with high-end specifications and flagship level design. So this time the OnePlus 8 Pro is having a 120Hz ProMotion display. It's also having MEMC chip that can push 30 FPS video up to 120 frames per second by adding some more frames. So yeah, this thing is awesome for sure. Now confirming this information, TrueTech.net leaked an image showcasing the OnePlus 8 Pro with the curved display and punch-hole selfie shooter. This punch-hole camera is not as small as the one in the S20 Plus, and that's okay. You can see there is display smoothness option you are getting with this device. So it's having 3 different options: 60Hz, 90Hz and 120Hz. This thing clearly says if you wanna save battery, use 60Hz. If you wanna get maximum smoothness, use 120Hz and 90Hz for both. So those who are saying it's gonna eat a lot of battery, well, there's an option if you wanna save some. But this thing is impressive for advanced users, those who wanna play content at 120Hz with 1440p resolution. Even Samsung is not doing that. Now second important thing, if you compare this thing with the Xiaomi and Samsung, Xiaomi Redmi K30 is having only 2 options, that's 60Hz and 120Hz. In the Samsung Galaxy S20 you are likely getting 2 options. Asus ROG 2 is the only phone right now having these 3 options with 1080p screen, and OnePlus will be next with 2K display. So this is an important thing you should note. The OnePlus 8 Pro is also getting a huge battery and 50 watts of fast charging. So even if you are using 120Hz display, your battery goes down, you can fully charge it in no time with that super amazing charging speed. OnePlus has already started teasing about the upcoming smartphones, so they are coming really soon. And last year we got the devices around May, June, but this year it's gonna be soon, March, April. Second official news coming in, OnePlus says they'll use the invisible camera mechanism from OnePlus Concept 1 in future smartphones. That means the OnePlus 8T series or McLaren edition may feature such design. See, this thing is super cool, but it's of no use for me. If this thing adds to cost of the OnePlus 8T/McLaren edition, I don't think that's a great plan. Instead of rear, they apply the same mechanism to front. I'm gonna buy that for sure. So that's all guys, OnePlus 8, 8 Pro and 8 Lite are coming soon. So which one are you purchasing? Comment down, like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.